They called you too quiet, too reserved, too much in your own head. But what if everything they said about you was completely wrong? What if the very thing they criticized was actually your greatest advantage? Right now, science is proving something. That quiet people have always known deep inside, but never had the words to say out loud. Introversion and high intelligence are not a coincidence. They are connected at the deepest level of human neuroscience. In 2006, researcher Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi made a discovery that stunned the psychology world. He found that highly intelligent people actively seek solitude, not because they are antisocial, but because their brain requires it to function at its highest level. Dr. Marti Olsen Laney confirmed the same pattern. The introvert brain is physically different. It processes information more deeply and requires silence to access its full power. But here is what nobody talks about. The most damaging thing ever done to intelligent introverts was not the bullying, not the loneliness, not the misunderstanding. It was being put in a world that was designed for a mind that is nothing like theirs. Stay with me. Because what comes next will make you see your quiet mind as the most powerful thing you own. Reason number one: introverts think before they speak. In a world that rewards instant reaction, the introvert pauses, they consider, they analyze while others are already talking. The introvert is still processing, and when they finally speak, what comes out has been filtered through layers of thought that most people never reach. This is not slowness, this is depth. And depth always outlasts speed. Reason number two: introverts have a richer inner world. Research from Harvard University found that introverts show more activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for abstract thinking, problem solving, planning, and self-reflection. While the extrovert brain seeks external stimulation, the introvert brain is already running complex simulations inside its own mind. They do not need the world to entertain them, because their inner world is more interesting than most of the noise outside. Reason number three: introverts learn differently and more effectively. Studies show that introverts spend more time in deep focused practice than their extroverted peers. They are not distracted by social interaction. They are not pulled away by the need for external validation. They sit, they study, they go deeper. Anders Ericsson's research on deliberate practice found that the people who reach mastery in any field share one common trait: the ability to sit alone with a problem for longer than anyone else is willing to. That is not a personality quirk. That is a superpower. So the next time someone tells you that you are too quiet, too serious, too deep, remember Newton developed the theory of gravity in solitude. Einstein developed the theory of relativity in silence. Darwin developed the theory of evolution. Thinking alone for years. The greatest ideas in human history were not born in loud rooms, they were born in quiet minds, minds exactly like yours. You were never too much in your head, you were exactly where you needed to be. The world did not need you to be louder, it needed you to go deeper. And you already know how to do that better than anyone. This finally said what you have always felt, but never had the words for. You are exactly where you belong. This is MindLabs, where we do not just study the mind, we celebrate it. Subscribe, because next time we go even deeper.